The ocean covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface, yet scientists estimate that we have explored less than 20% of it. Beneath the waves lies a world that is darker, deeper, and far more mysterious than most people realize. For centuries, sailors told stories about gigantic sea monsters capable of dragging ships underwater. Many people dismissed those stories as myths or exaggerations. But in recent decades, cameras mounted on submarines, research vessels, drones, and even fishing boats have captured footage of ocean creatures so large and strange that they seem almost unreal. Some of these animals are ancient species that have existed for millions of years, while others are mysterious deep-sea giants rarely seen by humans. Today we are going to explore 50 massive sea creatures that have actually been caught on camera. These encounters reveal just how enormous and powerful life in the ocean can be. The giant squid. For hundreds of years, sailors described enormous squid attacking ships in the middle of the ocean. These stories inspired legendary sea monsters like the kraken, but many scientists believed such creatures did not truly exist. That changed in 2004 when Japanese researchers captured the first clear photographs of a living giant squid in the wild. The creature measured nearly 8 meters, 26 feet, long, with enormous tentacles lined with powerful suction cups. These suction cups contain tiny serrated rings that help the squid grab and hold prey. Even more shocking footage appeared in 2012 when scientists finally filmed a giant squid swimming in its natural deep-sea environment. The animal moved gracefully through the darkness, its long tentacles drifting like ribbons in the water. Giant squid live at depths of 300 to 1,000 meters, where sunlight barely reaches. Because of this, encounters with them are extremely rare. Scientists believe these creatures mainly hunt deep-sea fish and smaller squid, but they must also defend themselves against one of the ocean's most powerful predators, the sperm whale. Scars found on sperm whales suggest that violent battles between whales and giant squid happen deep below the surface, far from human eyes. The colossal squid. If the giant squid is impressive, the colossal squid is even more extreme. First discovered in the early 20th century, the colossal squid is believed to be the heaviest squid species on Earth. While giant squid are longer, colossal squid have much thicker bodies and can weigh over 500 kilograms, 1,100 pounds. One of the most famous encounters happened in 2007 when a New Zealand fishing vessel accidentally caught a juvenile colossal squid in Antarctic waters. The creature was nearly 10 meters long and required multiple people to lift. What makes this squid particularly terrifying is its rotating hooks. Unlike most squid that rely only on suction cups, colossal squid tentacles are lined with sharp hooks that can swivel, allowing them to grip prey with incredible force. These squid live in the freezing depths around Antarctica, making them extremely difficult to study. Most knowledge about them comes from specimens found in fishing nets or inside whale stomachs. Many scientists believe even larger individuals still remain undiscovered deep in the Southern Ocean. The whale shark. The whale shark is not only the largest shark in the world, it is the largest fish species on Earth. These gentle giants can reach lengths of 12 to 18 meters, 40 to 60 feet, and weigh more than 20 tons. Despite their enormous size, whale sharks are completely harmless to humans. Instead of hunting large prey, they feed by filter feeding, swimming through the water with their massive mouths open. Inside their mouths are thousands of tiny teeth and special filters that trap small organisms like plankton, a fish eggs, tiny shrimp, small fish. Divers frequently encounter whale sharks in tropical waters, especially near the Philippines, Mexico, and Australia. Footage of swimmers floating next to these animals highlights just how enormous they truly are. One viral video showed a diver swimming beside a whale shark whose mouth alone was almost 1.5 meters wide. Even more impressive is their migration. Whale sharks can travel thousands of kilometers across oceans, though scientists still do not fully understand why. The giant oarfish. Few fish look as strange or as mysterious as the giant oarfish. This long, ribbon-shaped creature can grow up to 11 meters, 36 feet, long, making it one of the longest bony fish in the ocean. Oarfish live in deep water and rarely approach the surface. Because of this, sightings are extremely uncommon. When they do appear, they often look eerie and otherworldly. Their bodies are thin and silver, with a long red dorsal fin that runs the entire length of their body. They move through the water by gently waving this fin, almost like a ribbon floating in the current. Several rare videos have captured oarfish swimming vertically in the ocean, their heads pointing upward. In Japan, sightings of oarfish have historically been associated with earthquakes and natural disasters, earning them the nickname the messenger from the sea god's palace. While there is no scientific evidence linking them to earthquakes, their sudden appearance near the surface continues to intrigue researchers. The sperm whale. The sperm whale is the largest toothed predator on Earth. Adult males can grow to 20 meters, 65 feet, long and weigh up to 57 tons. These whales are famous for their enormous square-shaped heads, which contain a specialized organ called the spermaceti organ. Scientists believe this structure helps them control buoyancy and focus sound waves used for echolocation. Sperm whales are deep-sea hunters capable of diving over 2,000 meters below the surface and holding their breath for more than 90 minutes. Their primary prey includes giant squid, deep-sea fish, octopuses. Footage from deep-sea cameras has captured sperm whales diving into darkness in search of prey. Some of these encounters show whales battling giant squid, leaving scars on their heads and bodies. These marks are physical evidence of one of the ocean's most intense predator battles. The Greenland shark. The Greenland shark is one of the most mysterious creatures ever filmed underwater. This slow-moving giant can grow to 7 meters, 23 feet, long and is believed to be the longest living vertebrate on Earth. Some scientists estimate that certain Greenland sharks may live over 400 years. That means some individuals swimming today could have been alive when Shakespeare was still writing plays. These sharks inhabit the cold waters of the Arctic and North Atlantic, where temperatures are near freezing. Because of the extreme environment, their metabolism is very slow. They move sluggishly through the water, yet they are capable predators. Stomach contents from captured Greenland sharks have included a fish, the seals, polar bears, even reindeer. How they capture such prey remains a mystery, since they are not fast swimmers. Adding to their eerie appearance is a parasite often found attached to their eyes, sometimes causing partial blindness. Yet despite this, they continue to survive and thrive in the harsh Arctic seas. The blue whale. No list of massive sea creatures would be complete without the blue whale, the largest animal ever known to exist on Earth. Blue whales can reach lengths of 30 meters, 100 feet, and weigh up to 200 tons. Their hearts alone are about the size of a small car. Despite their enormous size, blue whales feed almost entirely on tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. During feeding, a blue whale opens its mouth and takes in a huge gulp of water filled with krill. It then pushes the water out through baleen plates, trapping the tiny creatures inside. A single adult blue whale can consume up to 4 tons of krill per day. Drone footage of blue whales feeding near the surface reveals just how massive they are compared to boats and humans. Seeing one glide silently beneath the water is an unforgettable experience. The ocean still holds secrets. These are only 7 of the 15 massive sea creatures captured on camera. Each one reminds us that the ocean is still largely unexplored. New deep-sea cameras, submarines, and underwater robots continue revealing species that were once thought to exist only in legends. And if creatures this enormous are already known, it raises an exciting question. What other giants might still be hiding in the dark depths of the ocean? The answer could be waiting thousands of meters below the surface, where sunlight never reaches and mysteries continue to grow.